We planted pansies and Swiss chard, and now we need to protect them from wildlife. We know there are deer that come through this area. They've uprooted our pansies in past years. We've had to replant them. Also, before we planted our Swiss chard, the rabbits ate it. So we need to protect it and try and keep wildlife away from it, at least till it gets established. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use bird netting, and we're gonna put bird netting over it. Now, we don't wanna just lay the bird netting on the flowers, because the flowers will either be tangled up in it, and when we try and take it off, it'll pull the flowers out, or it'll just restrict and smash them. So we don't wanna do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in some bamboo stakes, and then we are going to zip tie the bird netting to the bamboo stakes. I'm gonna put 4 across here just because of the size of the bed. Okay, so our stakes are in. Now let me get the bird net. I have here some landscape staples, and I'm going to just put it through the bird netting here in a couple spots to secure it to the ground. And then I have my zip ties. Get nice and tight. That holds the bird netting. So there we go, we got the net in. Now what we need to do is just go around and put in some of these landscape staples here to hold it down. So now we have our plants protected from small creatures, but it's nearly invisible. So unless you're looking for it, you don't even see the netting.